What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Play Store not working issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the Play Store app and then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the Play Store app. So to clear this cache memory, tap on clear data. Now here tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory, also clear the user data. So for that again tap on this option, and this time just simply tap on OK to clear the data. And after that the Play Store will start working properly. But after this, if you're still facing the issue while using Play Store, then check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. So to check that, open a web browser and then open a website. Look if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if the website is not loading perfectly, then fix your internet connection. And after fixing your internet connection, the Play Store will also start working properly. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And restarting your phone can fix small software glitches, including apps not working issue, and after that the Play Store will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Play Store not working issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.